Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. This particular boat is powered by a Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke engine. The outside hull color is the traditional Grady-White color. Coming through the walkthrough, you'll see a flip down bench seat here on the back, raw water washdown, a large fish box, transom live well. Here at the end, you've got tackle trays and lots of storage below. We make our way forward. You'll see the seats have flip-up bolsters, stainless steel tilt wheel steering, digital throttle shift, Bennett trim tabs with indicator. This boat also does have an Anchor windlass and a Fusion stereo and the Yamaha digital gauge system. As you can see too, you've got a full windshield with this boat, electronics box, a dome and spreader light button. This boat is also prepared if you would like to add outriggers. So we come around. This boat has a very spacious head compartment. Up here in the bow, you'll see full cushions. These have a flip back armrest on both sides and the Anchor windlass here on top. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.